Good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 146 here. We got our earnings today. Actually, my investment expired, so I got my monthly earnings switched up to here, guys. So this now I have access to. But we got our earnings about a little over an hour and a half ago, I guess. So I'm gonna go to the finance section here. Let's check this out here. Okay, so today we earned 0.42%. So I made about $94.14, it looks like, today. And as you see, guys, the rest of my monthly went up to the top right here, got transferred over. So I have $1,564.57 that I now have access to. If I go to my investments section here, guys, you can see the monthly income now has been reset to zero. So yeah, so I'm going to do it in this video, guys. I'm going to make another investment. I'm going to do an $800 one, so I'm going to go to the investments page here. I'm actually going to combine both of these as well. So I'm going to go to the investments page. I'm going to click on this plan right here. I'm going to type in $800. Click on make an investment. First cost $840. I'm going to enter in the code. Click on get the code here, guys. 534609. So 534609. Click on confirm. And look at that, it refreshed automatically. And I'm going to have some more commissions coming in this weekend, actually. I think tomorrow or Saturday, a couple guys are going to be making investments. So this will go up to around $850 or so. So I'm excited for that. And so now if I go down to the investment section here, guys, I actually just got to refresh this here. See, so now it says 27. Wow, so I have $27,400 invested in Forex. Go down to the investments section at the bottom here. And there we go, guys. So now I have my two investments. So what I'm actually going to do in this video as well, I'm going to combine both of these. This one first, I'm going to take auto reinvest. I'm going to turn this off so that way the money goes to the top right when this expires. So I'm going to take both of these two here. I'm going to combine these deposits together. So I click combine deposits, hit combine, click on get the code, and that'll be popping up here again. Where is it here? Okay, 945916. There we go. Okay, so those two deposits have now been combined. So if I just kind of refresh here, click on investments again here, guys. Now I'll have two investments running. So as you see now, I have one that is 26,000, and I have the other one I combined, which is now 1,400. So both of these are going to run. I just have to disable. And the next one is going to be July 16th, both of these. So that's the next time I'm going to get the earnings, guys. See, today, like right now, it says it's supposed to be June 16th, but in the UK, it's actually June 17th because they're like 6 hours ahead of us. So yeah, that's good, guys. So I'm going to let these run now, and yeah, hope for the best. So this is pretty sweet. I'm excited for this. So that being said, see how much time I've left. But I have about another minute left. So actually what I'll do here, guys, I'm going to do a withdrawal real quick. So I'm going to click on, actually have to go here, go to S Wallet. Oh yeah, that's right. Access to S Wallet is temporarily restricted. Oh yeah, that's right. S Wallet is down right now for maintenance. It should be back up in the next day or two, so we can't do any withdrawals at this point. But I do have this money here, and I do have access to it. So when it does come back up in the next 24 to 48 hours, I'll do a withdrawal. But this pretty much concludes my 5-minute daily review video, guys. If you're interested in joining S Group, you're just stumbling upon it, and you want to join, click on the sign up link down below, and then we can sign up underneath my team, as well as if you want to shoot me an email if you have any questions. My email is in the description below. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel. And you can see all my updates and progress. As of now, I'm officially graduated and now set to 27,400 in Forex. So next month, the end of July, I will be over 28,000. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.